you my Lighted Midnight Garden album that I put together. It has to be the chunkiest album I've ever done in my life. I just kept adding and adding. As you see here, it is chunky, but if it were to set on a beautiful shelf, it would look gorgeous. So here we go. On the front, as you see, these are flowers and stuff from the collection. I purchased like every flower that was in this collection. You have some of the feathers, you have some of the ephemera, and I also put in there some pieces of personal flowers that I had, and some metal flowers using the little crystal dots that come with the collection, which are the centers of the flower. The side and the back is made with covered with the paper that's in the collection. This is the Midnight Garden collection, and I'm going to turn on the lights, which are right here. As you see, it lights up, so if you were to set it on your shelf, you could light it up and it would illuminate. And when you open the front cover, you have flowers all through here, and you'll see the lights there. On the first page, you have this little paper clip here, and then you have four mats, 1, 2, 3, 4, that are held in with this belly band that is on this. This flips down. Then you have 2 mats in here. This right here is been left open so that you could slide like a photo or anything that you want right here. You lift this up and you can put a photo here, a photo here, a photo here. You have journaling cards here, and also a pocket to where you can stuff memorabilia and just little tchotchkes that you want. Okay, on the side of this, on this page here, there is a pocket, and you have 5 cute little tags with the little crystals in there. And then on this page, again, this is 2 belly bands. This is a pocket, and then you have these. I made these using copper. And then you have all of these mats. You have a belly band here and a belly band here. So lots of room for anything you're wanting to stuff in here. I mean, I love 5x7s, and I wanted, to be able, like, you could put a 4x6 and then staple on or glue on some memorabilia and stick it right in there. This is really fun. This is magnetized, as you see here. Right here, it magnetizes to that metal piece there. You open this up, and this is a bookmark I made. This is loaded with tags. And then you flip it, and you've got tags here, tags here. These can hold 4x6s, pictures, journaling. You got tags here, tags here, tags, 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 and then here can hold a picture or whatever. So that is loaded. Then you flip this over. This is a pocket. I'll lay that right there. This is a pocket, and in here I've made put some journaling cards, made a few tags. I made a pretty bookmark where you can bookmark throughout the page, throughout the book. And then here are some more journaling. Of course, more room for photos or whatever it is. This will hold a photo, and this will hold a photo. This is magnetized, and as you see, when you open it, you can place a photo here. You can put stuff here. This is a mat just landing here, and of course you can put a photo there. Then you open this, and then right here you can put a photo. You can slap it on there, and or you can put whatever it is you're wanting to put in this book. Then this right here is a tag, front and back, and of course this will hold other things, you know, whatever you want to stick in there. Sometimes, I tell you what, sometimes you don't get it. There it goes. I don't want to force it or anything. I just want it to slide. Here is another pocket. And I made this cute little, you untie this and it's like a little place where you can put tickets or anything you're wanting to share. Tons of journaling and tags. Tons of room for more photos. And then here, as you see, the lights are incorporated into the back. And then this right here, I made an additional 5x7. This is a box, and then in this box you have these little signatures. This is about monthly plans. This one is just simply for journaling and travel journal, and this one is for weekly planning. And you can take these and you can create a journal, a personal journal that goes with this. And then here, as you see, I've decorated the box. The box is decorated on the side. The little switch here is battery operated, and just simply on and off like that. And then you just slip it right into there. And then you just lift your little page here. This is a rubber band type. I hand braided it and inserted it here, and then it closes on this little latch here. And that, my friends, is the finished album. So I am super excited about this. I think it's beautiful. It's the biggest one I've ever done, and I decorate my pages. Oh, I gotta close that back up. I decorate my pages, you know, I adorn my pages like little pieces of ribbon and everything. I've always done that ever since I've ever made albums, because I like my albums to be dressed really nice. I like these little tags to flow out. I like all of that to flow out, and then there you go. And see, it just looks so nice and everything. And as you see from the side, you can see from there, it is chunky. It's the chunkiest book I've ever made. So this will be available for purchase in my store. It's one of a kind. If you want it, you better jump on it, because I do have fans that really like my work. They buy my stuff rather quickly, and but I really enjoyed this. This is the Midnight Garden collection from Prima Marketing. So if it's still available, I would rush out and get it. It's a beautiful collection. And my next album is going to be a butterfly album. I've already got some plans for that. And I want to thank you for just setting in for the last couple of live shows that I've done, just simply listening to music and me working on this album. It wasn't necessarily a tutorial. It was just me working on the album. I needed to get this one done and out the door if someone were to purchase it, and so that I can start something else. And I want to thank you all so much for your amazing support. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.